What's up, guys? GamerX here. Welcome back to another video. Now, right now, my dad and me, I don't know, went downtown from where I live to watch fireworks, and look where I am. I'm literally on a bridge above a highway. Or, not a highway, but like a road. Yeah, I'm gonna hurry up. My dad already left without me. I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. Hold up. Dad! Hi.
Happy 4th of July.
It's not even 4th of July yet.
Tomorrow.
Okay, I guess he's saying happy early 4th of July. Ah.
Look, show by over there. Can you come out? Show the river.
I can't change. Okay, I really can't turn my camera. I can do that. That's a little river. Oh, yeah, by the way, this is my dad. Yeah. He's weird. I guess that's where I get it from, kind of. But Dad, don't mess with my hair. It's already weird enough. Yeah, this river. And look, there's stuff over there. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Well, maybe they're happening from down there. We're talking over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I really can't turn my camera around. It's sad. But anyways, before that happened, yeah, my dad and going to be trying to see fireworks. I don't know when they're gonna happen. They might be happening soon, I don't know. But oh, you gotta get back with these people.
I can't be a friend, Todd.
Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna pass that. We finally got past.
Where's the fireworks?
I don't know. I hear them. Dad, you're just gonna stop over here? We can just stop over here for now. And wait. Oh, my drink. Yeah, we went to McDonald's, not sponsored. Actually, McDonald's, if you want to sponsor me, even though I don't have that many subs right now, sponsor me. But anyway.
Come on!
See you. Yeah, I really don't know what to say. I'm going to be uploading a video tomorrow, hopefully. But anyways, that's gonna be it. Wait, Dad, they're over here. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording this video. Well, I'll probably start recording again, but it would be a different video when the fireworks actually start. They're not really going that much right now, so yeah, and I really can't switch the camera, sadly. So yeah. Anyways, see you when I start recording again. Bye.